friends, welcome back to our next gem. My name is Pika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to travel, culture and global awareness. So let's get started. The first word is Cosmopolitan. Sentence: New York is known as cosmopolitan atmosphere and diverse population. Synonyms: worldly, sophisticated. Antonyms: professional, narrow-minded. The next word is indigenous. Sentence: indigenous communities preserve Asian cultural traditions. Synonyms: native, aboriginal. Antonyms: foreign, immigrant. The next word is immerse. Sentence: travelers should immerse themselves in local customs and traditions. Synonyms: engage, absorb. Antonyms: withdraw, deck. The next word is heritage. Sentence: UNESCO protects World Heritage Sites of cultural significance. Synonyms: legacy, traditional. Antonyms: innovation, modernity. The next word is nomadic. Sentence: some communities maintain a nomadic lifestyle, moving seasonally. Synonyms: wandering, itinerant. Antonyms: settled, stationary. The next word is dialect. Sentence: each region has its own unique dialect and pronunciation. Synonyms: ancient, Vancouver. Antonyms: standard, universal. The next word is exotic. Sentence: the market offered exotic spices from around the world. Synonyms: foreign, unusual. Antonyms: common, ordinary. The next word is multicultural. Sentence: Canada celebrates its multicultural society through various festivals. Synonyms: diverse, pluralistic. Antonyms: homogeneous, uniform. The next word is expectation. Sentence: the research expedition explored remote areas of the Amazon. Synonyms: journey, voyage. Antonyms: stay, settlement. The next word is landmark. Sentence: the Eiffel Tower is iconic landmark of Paris. Synonyms: monument, symbol. Antonyms: obscurity, unknown. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: Cosmopolitan. Your challenge: share your favorite travel destination or cultural experience in the comment. Also try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. Comment where do you love to travel next. Like if you are loving exploring cultures. Subscribe for global vocabulary. Share with fellow travelers. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Bye bye and thank you.